Hey, I'm going to do a video, and you can see I am totally barefaced. I am going to reenact an experiment that one of our other beauty guides has done, and I really want to see how it worked for myself. So I'm going to show you what a difference it makes when you use primer, powder, and the setting spray versus just the plain foundation itself. So on my face right now, it's just, I have a cleanser. I used the Dream Clean because I'm getting some breakouts or whatnot. And then I use the Must Do Sotox and Calm Balm today. So what I'm going to do is on this side of my face, I am going to spray our First Base Primer. See if I can get it to go. I'm almost out of this one. I have it sprayed 3 times. Let it dry. I'm also going to use my forehead. Oh my gosh, that skylight is really affecting the view. I'm also going to put on my forehead. Whew, make sure it's not getting on that side. Okay. And then I'm not going to put anything on this cheek. I am going to use a latex sponge. These are fantastic. I actually am only going to use this for experimental purposes only. I actually prefer like a blendy brush for my foundation because I use less product and it goes on much smoother. So I'm going to put it on. Hang on. Now this is Ivory. Obviously it's too light for me, but I'm putting it on so you can at least see it. I'm going to have to use more so you can see it. And then I'm going to put it on my forehead. Stupid light. I'm going to look like a freak. And then on this side. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Next, I'm going to use our pressed translucent powder, one of my favorite products. It's clear. This, I overuse it. It's already coming down, but gosh, I've had this since February and I still have a lot left. I'm going to use, whoopsie, I just threw my brushes all over the place. So I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just going to dab a little bit, shake a little bit off, and set this. And I'm not going to set it with powder on this one. And of course, I'm going to leave this one plain with just foundation. Next, I'm going to use our 10 Years Younger finishing spray. Give it a quick shake. Let it dry. I use 1 squirt. Maybe I should use 2 because normally we use 2 or 3. And up top. Okay. Whew. Let it dry. I love how it feels. And during this experiment, when the other beauty guide was sharing with us, I learned something about our First Base makeup primer. It is full of vitamins, and that if you don't even wear makeup and use this on a daily basis, it shrinks the appearance of your pores and still is a benefit to your skin. Love that. I love multi-purpose products. So we're going to see. Okay. Now I'm going to set again with the pressed powder on this side. Oops, wrong product. Hang on there. Here we go. Shake off the excess. And I just kind of blend it in. Just kind of dab it in. It actually looks like I have less on that side than I do on the others. Okay. So, I don't know if you can see it in this light. I'm in my bathroom trying to do natural light. Can we get a good spot? No. They're going to try that. Okay. Foundation only. I'm going to rub it with my hands. and see what happens. Okay, it's going to blend in. It's going to just move all over the place. Yep, that's just what happened in her experiment too. Now, obviously, I want to wash my hands because I want it to be legit. I'm doing this one-handed too. Okay, I'm going to dry it. Make sure it's really dry. And again, this is our professional products. They are highly, highly pigmented, so you do not need a lot. Probably most of my customers did not come from using professional products, and some are like, whoa, you don't need a lot. I'm like, no, you don't. It's really great. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the top. I'm scared. Yeah, it's not really moving as much. A little bit. Not much. Not as much as it did over here, did it? That was just with a primer, foundation, and 10 Years Younger spray. Pretty good. And I'm moving it. But not a whole lot. It's not moving like it did with this. Gotta wash my hands again. Now we're going to go see what happens with the powder. Make sure my hands are dry. Now the towel is all. Blended, moved all over, just a little bit. Let's see what happens with the powder too. Oh my gosh. It's not going anywhere. It is totally not going anywhere. She was right. These products really work. I knew that they did, but it's kind of fun to do an experiment. So, now I want to put the rest of my makeup on and look somewhat decent today. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about these or I have a extra bottle I could always send with you for you to try at home for a day or two, let me know. Have a great day, everyone.